Hi, my name is Dawn Forgione, and I'm a realtor here at Lang Realty and team leader for Dawn & Company. Very often my buyers are going to be financing a home and really don't know where to start. So I thought, what a great idea. I'm going to invite Steve Syrup, who's the branch manager for iMortgage, to join us today. iMortgage is a partner of ours at Lang Realty. Steve, thank you so much for coming.
Thank
I
you.
really appreciate it.
I appreciate
I work with a lot of buyers that are financing or hope to finance a home, and they really don't know where to begin. And since they will need to see someone like you before we even make an offer on a home, what are some of the documents that I need to gather in order for you to be able to finance that home for me?
Well, Dawn, this is a little bit different than buying a car. When you buy a car, we only pull credit, and then you go out and buy your car.
Right.
With mortgages, it's a lot more complicated. However, we try to make it as easy as possible. We will gather things like pay stubs, W-2s, 2 years of tax returns, and if the person is self-employed, we'll get 2 years of their business tax returns as well.
That's the question I was going to ask you. Okay, so if you're self-employed, and what else? What else do you look for in terms of documentation? Because I know as much as I can provide you up front, the better off I am, right? And the quicker you can close that loan.
That's right. We may ask for information regarding any properties that you own, as well as bank statements from your banks that you're going to be using with this transaction.
Okay. And I recently worked with a client who has been divorced for 20 years. It's really important that you tell your lender that your marital status has changed, right?
Absolutely. The most important thing is to tell the lender everything about your situation. The perception is that the lender is not in your corner. However, the lender is your friend and is on your side and wants to make the loan for you.
Absolutely. We're all in it together. So tell me, what are some of the things that I better not do while I'm in the process of getting a loan?
Some of the pitfalls are moving money around from account to account, paying large bills, taking on new accounts, buying big purchases. A lot of times that can hold up your loan.
Wow.
And it shouldn't be done during the process.
Okay. So don't make any financial moves without consulting your lender first, right?
Absolutely.
Okay.
If you're looking to make a large purchase like this, you do have to prepare for it, and you have to make sure that you follow all the things that the lender tells you to do, because they're the ones that are making the decision on giving you the money or not.
Now, in the old days, you used to be able to get a pre-qual letter. Like within 5 minutes, you'd call the lender up and, can I get that letter? It's not the same way today, right?
Well, it's a little bit different.
And thank goodness.
It's a little bit different today. We as responsible lenders want to make sure that the borrowers qualify. And therefore, we tend to ask for the documentation up front so there are no surprises in the end.
Right. That's great. So how long does it generally take today to get a clear to close?
Generally, a contract should be written for 45 days, as that's the default on the Florida contracts.
Okay.
However, if the borrower is participating well and the realtor is cooperating because you're working with a realtor partner and they're great, we can do it in 30 days or less.
Okay, good. That's good to know. It's, so that buyers and sellers can plan and everything like that. Well, Steve, thank you so much for joining us today. It's really important to know what you need when you go see a lender, and also some of the things not to do when you're looking to purchase a home.
Well, it's really great to have partners like you, Dawn.
Well, I hope these tips helped on how to prepare for getting that pre-qualification letter and what not to do when you're waiting for your home to close. I'm Dawn Forgione, Lang Realty, and as always, I'll work from dawn till dusk for you.